Alright, that's all I wanted to say. This is where the bad part's gonna happen. This is where stuff's gonna hit us. It's 80 degrees, 50% chance of severe thunderstorms. Come. Weather.com. There's only one box. Hit. Oh, look at that down here. That damn mouse is gonna wake that thing. No, I don't want to see some damn mails. Oh, fuck that. Fuck that, going over. Everybody has a chance to feel this and that's tomorrow. I don't know that. It's here below that with a light back here. And there's no severe weather that's gonna hit us tomorrow. Warsaw, you with Charlotte are in trouble. Severe storms today and tonight, and more tomorrow. How about down here? They say 50, 40, 40, 20 slight chances of severe thunderstorms. Jeez. Oh, that's exactly all I want. What? See you catch you later. I'm gonna update YouTube. 3 videos.